What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. Today we're doing another unboxing video for you guys. Not sure if you guys can tell my voice or not, but I've been under the weather ever since the New Year's festivities, and I'm just frustrated that I haven't been able to record as much over the last few days. So today I'm feeling ever so slightly better, and I figure, hey, let's go ahead and get this unboxing done because I just can't wait to get into this box, get into what's in here. So we give you guys a little bit of background. So this was sent over to me by a knife manufacturer during the holidays, and it didn't get here until around the 1st or 2nd of January. Let me give you a little hint right here because you probably already know from the thumbnail, title and thumbnail. Check out the Vosteed logo right there. That's right. Folks over at Vosteed wanted to go ahead and send over some gear, like a Christmas present, if you will, to the channel for me to do an unboxing, right? Some gear here, some stuff that I don't even know what it is. So let's just get into the thing, right? I'll be linking anything in here. All the knives you see on the video will be linked down below if you want to learn more details. Doing the honors today, we have another awesome knife from Vosteed, and that is the Raccoon. This one is the crossbar lock Raccoon on the 14C28N. This one's going to be doing the honors here, shall we? Let's go ahead and get a cut right here. There we go. That's one. That's two. Is that enough to open this bad boy? Nope, let's do the other ones. I'm not even sure what's in here, but let's see what this care package here is all about. All right, it looks like maybe down the middle here. There we go. Okay. All right, and you guys are seeing this for the very first time as I am, so just bear with me here. These are my first impressions. All right, so we have a Vosteed box that looks like a knife right there. It is sealed. All right, that's going to be interesting. We have a nice little leather pouch right there. We're going to get into all that. Check out this EDC baggie right here with all the different pockets right there. That's awesome. Check out this Vosteed. What do you call this? A coffee mug island or something? My wife knows the name for this and I don't. My vocabulary is not as extended, so I'm going to put it down there somewhere. But this is where you rest your coffee mug, right? So you don't rest it on the table. Whoa, I mean, check this thing out. There's a lot more stuff here. I'm not sure if I can fit everything in frame. Look at this thing, right? Yeah, that's very interesting there too. Then we have this fabric looking thing here. All right, so we got quite a bit to go through right there, guys. So I don't even know what to do first, actually. So let's go in reverse order. Why not? So this one here looks like I was gonna say an apron at first, but this is a bag, a nice fabric bag right here. Got the Vosteed Stay Sharp, Stay Wild with the Vosteed Nightshade going on there. Tradition, innovation. Right, probably help if I put the whole design on frame, Miguel. That's, you know, like YouTube 101. There we go. Got the buttons going on there. All right, looks pretty good, right? Very nice and high-end. I think my wife is probably going to steal this one from me. I'll tell you that right off the bat. She likes to do her shopping and her special bags and whatnot. This one is pretty good, like fabric to it. Very like rugged, like, you know, sturdy construction going on here. Like the nice little beige tan color going on there with the Vosteed orange. So that's neat. All right, so that's one item down. Let's see what else we got going on here. Let's check out this Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer going on. This looks to be, is this like a table? What do you call this? It goes under your plate. I'm telling you, there's certain things that my vocabulary is pretty limited when it comes to stuff like this. Oh, by the way, I was having a brain fart. This thing is called a coaster. It just came to me. I had to download it from the cloud, and finally, there it is. It's called a coaster. All right, I just couldn't think of it in the moment for some reason. And we got the lawnmower going on outside. Hopefully that doesn't come through the video. Yeah, this one's more of like a placemat, right? So anytime you're taking apart a knife or what have you, gives you something to lay the knife down on. You have the Christmas theme going on there, of course. You have the Stay Sharp, Stay Wild Vosteed slogan going on the top left corner right there. And yeah, that's very interesting. Love the design. Got Rudolph hanging out with Frosty the Snowman. All right, so that's pretty neat too. What's next? So we got the coaster, of course, finally remember the name for it, right? So that's that. Then we have this EDC pouch here, which has the Velcro side here ready for you to put all your EDC tags on. And you got, loops and all that for your everyday knife and gear, your flashlight. You got about, multiple different pockets going on there. And then you have a zipper inside section as well. I mean, this is pretty neat. I want to say I haven't really gotten into EDC little baggies like this, carry bags, up until this point, but there's never too late. So this is definitely a great start. Thank you, Vosteed. Appreciate that. Next, let's check out this. What do we have going on here? This is feels like a leather or vinyl going on. A little pouch here with white stitching. Open this bad boy up. And what do we have going on here? Vosteed. It's a nice piece of aluminum, it feels like. So this is for your pocket trash category, your vintage coins and folks who carry, specific like fidget toys and pocket trash, coins, collectibles and stuff like that. Here's a Vosteed. I want to say this feels like aluminum. Got the logo going on there on this side. The Vosteed lettering there. Got a nice little loop or hole right there for like a keychain. There we go. It could work as a keychain as well. All right, very interesting. Not that heavy at all. Vosteed, thank you for sending that over. I got to figure out a place or where I'm going to implement that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and cut into this knife. Now, there's not a model name anywhere in the box for this one, so I'm going in blind. You guys probably have an idea by the title and thumbnail. Doing the honors is my very own Vosteed RSKAOS, one of my all-time favorite knives. I got this one for my birthday in December as a, celebration token, if you will, for all the hard work on the YouTube channel here in 2023. I'm looking forward to 2024 being a very successful year. And again, thank you guys for all of your support along the way. Let's go ahead and make a cut here, shall we? Boom, right there. Here we go. And let's see what we're working with on this bad boy. Okay, so yeah, we have, yeah, there we go. Okay, this one might be a little hint right there. We got a little chipmunk sticker going on there. Little squirrel going on with the Vosteed logo. Then we have the support Vosteed card right there. We have the, refund policy right here. If you want to read through that, you can pause the video. Stay sharp, stay wild. And you got a nice pouch here with a Velcro little section. There's a nice Velcro sticker logo there, like how they did that. Zipper pouch. And we have a wiping cloth with the Vosteed logo. And boom, here is the knife. Nothing else in the bag. Got the Vosteed orange going on there. And the inside, similar to that orange on the EDC pouch there. Boom. Let's get this stuff out of the way here, shall we? Let's see what this knife is all about. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Boom. Yeah, tiny little guy right here indeed. A small form factor EDC. Right, this one seems to have multiple deployment options. Check this out. Got a flipper tab going on here in the back, which looks pretty interesting. Front flipper, thumb deployment, reverse flick, G10 scales going on. Back spacer with a lanyard solution right there. Yeah, let's get this thing open here, shall we? Bam. Again, I'm not sure on the model name on this one. Rocking 14C 28-inch steel. Vosteed logo on this side. Got a little Christmas tree ornament theme going on there in the pivot. That's pretty cool. And yeah, the flipper deployment. That's pretty good. It is a liner lock. Good jumping, access to the lock bar, or the access to the liner lock. Boom. Front flipper, let's test out the front flipper. Here we go. Oh yes, that flips really good for a small factor like this, right? This guy is certainly on ball bearings. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Well, you could certainly feel it. Have to be intentional about it. There we go. All right. There we go. We can do it with the side of your index finger as well. Obviously, I'm getting the hang of it. little by little. Reverse flick. Boom, that's pretty solid. Thumb deployment, of course, is going to be pretty good. But yeah, definitely small factor EDC is a 3-finger knife for the most part. If you do the index guide here, all right, it's a 3-finger knife where you can forward choke carefully if you wanted to for more specific detail cutting work. Let's check out some size comparisons just to give you an idea. Again, it is a tiny little guy indeed. Here's the Vosteed Raccoon with the crossbar lock. Obviously, about a full 1.5 inches longer probably. The RSKAOS, much bigger knife, without a doubt. You guys be the judge right there. Or about the CJRB Pyrite. All right, take a look. Wrap Model 2. Wrap Model 1. Yeah, did I mention it was going to be a tiny guy? Because truthfully, it really is a tiny guy indeed. There's a Demko AD 20.5 on the shark's foot blade. There's the Shark Cub slicer blade. And yes, definitely still bigger than this smaller Vosteed. And last but not least, the PM2 and the Para 3. All right, we'll do one last one because I feel like it only does it justice. Here's the CRKT Piet. All right, so pretty comparable, right? Very close to the Piet, only a tiny bit smaller. And here is the Divo Knives NIP. All right, check it out. Definitely a little bit bigger than the Divo Knives NIP as far as overall length. Well, there you have it, guys. That is pretty good, very nice EDC care package from Vosteed, right? So definitely gotta love that. Vosteed, thank you so much for sending this in. I really appreciate it. Looking forward to a successful year. I may end up giving this away in the future. I'm not entirely 100% sure right now at the moment, but we'll see how the year goes. Probably when I hit a milestone somewhere, right? If you guys are interested in this being part of a giveaway, let me know in the comments. But yeah, some quick unboxing, some Christmas swagger gear from Vosteed. Check it out right now. They have, I believe, a 30% sale going on their site. And if it ain't 30%, I'm sure they have some sort of sale going on depending on when this video goes live. Check it out. I'll be linking the Vosteed site down below, as well as any knife that you saw in this video will be linked down below as well. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know if I missed anything in the comments. Chances are by the time you're done watching this video, the unboxing on the Konwu Chad, this premium folder right here with the diamond texture, titanium scales, sheep's foot blade. This unboxing for this knife is ready. I'm gonna put it right here for you guys to check it out next. If you made it to the very end, you guys are the real MVPs. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you can come back for more knife and awesome EDC content like this on a daily basis. Support the channel if you can on Patreon or here on YouTube by becoming a member. Love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.